I've been asked by a subscriber to run through what maintenance is required to keep the roll top running smoothly. So it's only going to be a short video because it only takes a couple of minutes. Let's see how it's done. The first thing to do, obviously open the tailgate, and a huge recommendation, if you haven't already done it, fit these slow down struts. They make all the difference. It doesn't bang down, it's not dangerous, it's just nice and smooth. Now we're going to use two types of lubrication today. The first one is WD-40, but we're not going to put that on the tracks, we're going to put that into the lock. And once we've done that, you'll see why it needs maintaining. So if I open that, it only goes back that much. And even when I push it, you can see it's not going back. You've really got to give it a push. So to make sure it runs easy, we're going to lubricate these tracks. You can see them there, and it runs all the way up to the back. And obviously we've got one on the other side as well. And it's as easy as picking up a can and spraying it. Now, this is what I'm going to be using. This is the WD-40 silicone lubricant. The reason I'm using a silicone lubricant is it doesn't attract dust and dirt. It goes on and then it's basically dry. And we're going to spray it into the track on both sides. Going to run it up and down a couple of times and you should see a huge difference. So we get the can, pop it in and literally just spray it. No need to overdo it. Come across to the other side and again pop it in, spray it along. And that's it, that's all it takes. So now we'll just run it in the track a couple of times. And you can see there, I'm just going to open it and we'll see what happens. Press it down, let go, and it runs back. As simple as that. And all it took was 2 sprays of the silicone, and just to make sure that the lock's working, just normal WD-40. I'll put the link to both of those below, but you can see how easy it was and how quickly it was as well. Now one more thing, if you haven't already done it, you need to maintain the box at the back and make sure that the drainage tubes are clear. If you haven't done it before, go to this link above and you'll see how to do it. That's probably a 5-minute job as well. Let's just have a look at them. And this is it here. You've got one on either side, the drainage tube. Really bad design. Any detritus gets into this and they get blocked, and then you get a flooded rear bed. So that's it, simple 2-minute job, easy to do, relatively cheap. Get one of those cans, they're about £7 if I'm not mistaken, or it was that the last time I bought it, but again the link will be below. Yeah, really good, makes such a huge difference.